What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to talk about something that's perfect for the little thrill seekers in your life, the X-Pro Hawk Mini Dirt Bike. This 40cc gas-power 4-stroke dirt bike is designed for kids, and it's packed with features that make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to introduce their children to the world of dirt biking. First, let's talk about the engine. The X-Pro Hawk Mini Dirt Bike comes with a 40 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine, which is not only more reliable and durable than its 2-stroke counterparts, but also provides a smoother and more consistent riding experience. This means that your kids will be able to enjoy a full day of riding without having to worry about the bike breaking down or being too difficult to handle. The engine also provides plenty of power, with a max speed of 22 miles per hour, which is perfect for kids who are just starting out. And the best part? The fully automatic chain drive transmission system makes it easy for kids to ride, without having to worry about shifting gears. Another key feature of the X-Pro Hawk Mini Dirt Bike is its ease of use. The smaller engine offers a smooth and steady acceleration that won't be too fast or too much for your small child to handle. This makes it the perfect bike for beginners, as it allows them to get used to the feeling of riding a dirt bike without being overwhelmed. And with a top speed of 22 miles per hour, you can be sure that your kids will be able to ride safely and confidently. Plus, the bike is designed with safety in mind, with features like a low center of gravity and a wide stance that make it easy to balance and maneuver. Now, let's talk about the environmental benefits of the X-Pro Hawk Mini Dirt Bike. The whole bike is EPA approved, which means that it won't cause any unreasonable adverse effects on users' health, and it's also environmentally friendly. The bike has low noise levels, and it doesn't require any mixing of oil and gas, which makes it a great choice for parents who are looking for a bike that is both fun and responsible. And with its durable construction and reliable engine, you can be sure that the X-Pro Hawk Mini Dirt Bike will provide years of trouble-free riding. One thing to note is that some assembly is required, which may seem like a drawback to some parents. However, the assembly process is relatively straightforward, and it includes things like attaching the handlebar brackets, wheels, brakes, number plate, and fender. This can actually be a great way to spend some quality time with your kids, and it's a good opportunity to teach them about the importance of safety and maintenance when it comes to riding a dirt bike. In conclusion, the X-Pro Hawk Mini Dirt Bike is an excellent choice for kids who are just starting out with dirt biking. With its reliable and durable 4-stroke engine, easy-to-use design, and environmentally friendly features, it's the perfect bike for anyone looking to introduce their children to the world of off-road riding. So if you're looking for a fun and exciting way to get your kids outside and active, be sure to check out the X-Pro Hawk Mini Dirt Bike. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on one today, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.